Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today is just going to be a short video at what I'm going to do with my t-shirt. I don't like crop neck t-shirts. I like t-shirts that have v-necks or that have scoop necks. It's not too cropped over here or anything. I just don't like how it fits here. This is what I do to all of my t-shirts. When I don't want to cut the whole neckline out like I would a t-shirt, I just want to show you what I do that's really quick to fix this problem. Okay, let's get started. All you're gonna need is a pair of scissors. It's that simple. All I need to know is when you're doing a t-shirt that fits you fine everywhere else, it feels good everywhere else on me except here. I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna find where I want this to come down. You can make your cut as low as you want to. I don't like mine too low, but I definitely don't like it up where it's at. I want it to fall just about here. I'm just going to make that little mark with my chalk, and that's going to give me my reference guide so when I'm cutting. Okay, let me show you how easy this is. Just take these two seams here and bring them together. All we're doing is finding the center of the neck. Two seams are brought together. There's going to be the center. I'm going to make a line right where that center is. And then I'm going to open this up. I can see the yellow mark that I made here. That's how low I want it. And I see the mark here that I made for the center. I'm going to connect that line. Just make sure that whatever you use for a marking tool comes off. I'm just using seamstress chalk. Take your scissors and all you're going to do is just cut down to that mark. Just cut straight down. Now I'm at the mark. Hold where I cut and I'm going to pull this because that's going to make it curl. And I'm going to curl this side. You're just giving it a stretch. All I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cut these little points off here. I need to take them off at an angle. Hold up your angle here where that is and just come straight with where that looks like it's got a little point there. Take that little point off. Two little points. Go ahead and give this a stretch now. You may want to cut one more time. Let's see how that looks. As you can see, that's so much better. After you pull, these little points are gonna pull out a little bit, so you may have to make a couple adjustments. You may need to go in a couple, 2 or 3 times and fix the little point. After you get it to where you like it, just don't pull on it anymore. So just like that, you've got a t-shirt that fits you totally different. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.